In this video, I will show you how to waist hoop. When learning how to waist hula hoop, I recommend using as large of a hula hoop that you have on hand. The larger hoop takes longer to rotate around your body, so it is easier to learn on body hooping with a slower rotating hoop. I will use this hoop during the clockwise portion of this video, but for the counterclockwise portion of the video, I'll be using this 29-inch diameter hoop. So let's toss this one off to the side. Now, the next thing you will want to do is determine your natural current, or which way it feels easier for the hula hoop to spin about your body, whether to your left or counterclockwise or to your right or clockwise. Give it a go in both directions and see how long you can keep it up. For me, my natural current is in the counterclockwise direction, or the hoop spinning towards my left. So I will start with that current, and later in the video, I'll go over the clockwise current. When learning the move, the first thing you want to focus on is your stance. I like to keep my legs about hip distance apart. The second component of this move is your hip motion. So you can step your leg forward and do like a front back pushing with your hips, or you can move your hips from side to side. Both work, I just find the front back pushing motion to feel a bit easier. Give the hoop some momentum by pushing it towards your left and start moving your hips either side to side or front to back. I step my left foot slightly in front and push my hips forward as the hoop touches my back, and push my hips backwards as the hoop touches my stomach. You can see if it feels easier for you to have your left leg slightly in front or for your legs equal distance apart. In either case, remember not to have too wide of a stance, and if the hoop keeps falling, this might be a reason why. So bring those legs closer together. Remember, you can move your hips side to side or step the left foot forward and move your hips front to back. Another helpful trick when learning this move is to turn in the direction the hoop is spinning. This gives the feel as if the hula hoop is moving slower and it requires less thrusting to keep the hoop going. I am turning towards my left. Here are some slow-mo views so you can see when I push my hips either forward or backwards. Since we have it down in the counterclockwise direction, let's now try it with the hoop spinning in the clockwise direction. Start with your legs hip distance apart and give the hoop some momentum towards your right. As you can see, this is not my natural current and I have to try a little bit harder to keep the hula hoop up. And look at this beautiful view of the Grand Canyon. With the larger hoop, I have more time between the front and back pushes with my hips. Here's my smaller hoop for comparison, and look how quickly I need to move my hips to keep it up. Another trick is to turn in the direction the hula hoop is spinning. Since the hoop is moving clockwise, I turn towards my right. Push forward when the hoop is at your back, and back when your hoop is at your stomach. Let's now go over 4 transitions into and out of waist hooping. The first is a fold reverse escalator. Stop the hoop and spin into waist hooping. Let's now try that the other way. And let's now try that again. The second is to go from waist hooping into waist breaks. Third is to lift up into lasso, or move from lasso into waist hooping. The fourth is to move from waist hooping into the vortex. I'm not so great doing a vortex in the other direction, as you can see. But regardless, there you have it. I'll link the tutorials to moves mentioned in this video below. Hope you enjoyed and have fun waist hooping. Bye!